Your For You page right now. Can you do me a huge favor and leave a like before you keep on scrolling? Because this took me a long time to make and I don't want it to be a waste of my time. So can you please help me out and leave a like? Also, comment down below if I'm on your For You page and consider following me if you want to see more content like this.
To be away from this world today.
This video is only for small TikTok pages. So if you have 5,000 followers or less, use this sound on your video, and I want everyone on TikTok to go support these small pages.
Girl, my mood changed when you walked through the door. Before you came, it was tears on the floor. Girl, you so perfect, I think that it's working. You gave me a love, now I really want more. Girl, you so different apart from the rest. Cool, I dropped out, I don't.
All these horses in my car got me going fast. I just wanna do the dash, put my pedal to the gas.
Stay on your own, and here it goes. I'm just a kid, and life is a nightmare.
We are the ones who make a brighter day, so let